Another thing you can do to help make your snowflake easier is insert an image. So inside of your sketch, this is called a canvas. Insert a canvas. So, you can insert this from your computer. So I've already found this Michigan State logo. So go ahead and open that, and that'll bring it in. I got to select where I want to put it. So I'm going to put it on that face, and then I can move it around. Okay, I can also resize it. And again, I've already got this drawn so that I have my 90 millimeter square with construction lines already sketched. And I'm just kind of eyeballing kind of what I want. I want to have my Michigan State headdress be drawn. And I'm going to have to modify this a little bit because I'm going to want things to connect in the middle. And I also know that the headdress, this is too many pieces in here. If I measure between these two like little coordinates here, they're going to be way less than a millimeter. So I'm going to have to kind of modify this, but it gives me an overall shape to work with. Okay, so once I bring that in, now I can start sketching arcs and lines and kind of trace over top. Again, you still have to take into account positive and negative space and make sure that all the object lines are connected to each other, and you're not going to have something fall apart when you're done. So I'm going to come in and just grab a 3-point arc, and I'm just kind of eyeballing. It looks like that arc kind of comes all the way around to there. That's pretty close. And then get another one there, and you can always, oh, that's in the wrong place. I'll just delete that one. You can always move around those endpoints to make it look better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, keep sketching for a while, and then show you a few more steps. Okay, you'll see I rotated my sketch a little bit, and that's going to make it go together better when I do some patterning. And of course, as I was talking about earlier, all my features are at least a millimeter in size and spaced apart. So that's going to work a little bit better. I'm not able to exactly copy what was there. Okay, if I had more things to sketch, this part here is kind of important. I would want to make sure I extruded in a negative direction, because that way my canvas is still on the front side if I had additional things I was going to do in a sketch instead of on the back side. At this point, though, I don't really need my canvas anymore. I could go ahead and go in and mirror that. So I could go ahead and mirror and join it together. If I'm looking at that, there's some goofy things going on with the nose piece here. So I'll probably just clean that up simply by cutting that away. Okay, still looks pretty good. And then I can now do a circular pattern. So I can go in and create a circular pattern, pick what I want to pattern, pick the axes, and then you're going to have to pick how many. Obviously 8 is way too many. I think 4 works pretty good, although that headdress is running into the back side a little bit. So actually, with the way I size this, looks like 3 is going to work pretty good. I might have to clean up where those headdresses are coming together. And finally, I'm going to probably attach something to the middle, put a Spartan S inside. Final result after a little more tweaking looks something like this.